Hi, I'm Mr. Will, your English companion. The negative of will is will not. But we don't usually say will not. We like to combine these two words and make them one word. We say won't. It's faster. It's a contraction with an apostrophe. Won't is a way to refuse to do something. Ew, gross. I won't eat that. I won't. I won't watch that movie. It's too violent. I don't like blood and guts. I get nightmares. I won't apologize. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I apologize. I won't apologize. I did nothing wrong. It's not my fault. Now, if you want to make the refusal stronger, you can use will not for emphasis. Ew, gross. I will not eat that. I will not watch that movie. It's too violent. I will not apologize. I did nothing wrong. Instead of won't, you can also use not going, followed by an infinitive verb. I'm not going to eat that. I'm not going to watch that movie. It's too violent. I'm not going to apologize. Now, learning English is hard. Repeat after me. I won't give up. I will keep practicing. I won't quit. Very good. Now, humans aren't the only ones who refuse to do things. Sometimes objects refuse to do things. Oh man, the car won't start. What? Why won't the computer turn on? Come on. The door won't open. What the heck? The window won't close. The toilet won't flush. Gross. Won't or will are good ways to respond to a command or an order. Shh, it's a secret. Don't tell anyone. I won't. I promise. I swear. I won't tell anyone. Don't talk about politics tonight at the party. Don't do it. Don't worry. Don't worry. I won't. Make sure and stop by the grocery store after work. We need milk. I will. Don't worry. Finally, we can use won't in a question to express concern. Let's say your wife is going to the movies and she's only wearing a t-shirt and shorts, and you're a little concerned. You might say, "Won't you be cold?" Movie theaters in the US are really cold. The air conditioning is really strong. You need a sweatshirt, a jacket, or even a blanket. Let's say your car won't start, and your husband offers to help you charge the battery. But you know your husband needs to be at work very soon, and you're concerned. You might say, "Won't you be late for work?" Let's say you and your wife are binge watching a really good series on Netflix. It's easy to do. and it's 11 p.m. It's really late. And your wife says, let's watch one more episode. But you're a little concerned because it's so late. You might say, won't you be tired at work tomorrow? I'm going to finish this video with a funny story about my name. I'm Mr. Will. My name is Will. When I was in high school, I sang in the choir. La 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 la. And the choir director was a little goofy. He was funny. Ha ha ha. He didn't call me Will. He called me Won't. He was being funny. But in high school, I was very negative. I had a bad attitude. I hated high school. So, Won't was a good name for me. But now I'm very positive. I have a good attitude. My name is Mr. Will. I'm not Mr. Won't.